Bitcoin, and we're going to talk about the bear market that Bitcoin and the crypto currency market is in. Okay, and also this live stream is about stepping up your game. It's time, guys. It's time. It's time to step up your game, man. If you're using the same strategy back in 2017, it's time to step up your game. So, of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only. Okay? If you're watching that replay, you can actually hit the speed button, guys. Hit 1.5 or 2 to speed up the replay, guys. All right. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. All right. Because I'm a guy that been doing this for a long time. I really don't have time to be playing games. I really don't have time to be hyping things up. Not over here. Doesn't make any sense. So if you want the truth, if you're tired of saying or hearing, hey man, I got some good news for you, and your coin keeps dropping, if you're tired of that, hit that subscribe button. Okay, over here. All right, I don't play that. I'm into making money now. Okay, that's what I specialize in. If you look at any rich person, I can guarantee you that guy or girl, okay, is making money daily. Not every 5-10 years. Daily. All right? That's what I do. I specialize in making money now. So if you want to learn about that, hit that subscribe button. So we're going to get into this right now. Let's look at the coin market cap first. Haven't done a live stream in a long time. I'm outside in my backyard right now. So just to let you guys know. What else? So let's go to the coin market cap. Shout out to everybody that's here. Thanks a lot for stopping by, guys. I appreciate it. Okay. Let me see here. What's going on, Keith? What's going on, everybody? Good to see you guys here. We're definitely gonna get to you guys later. But I'm waiting for more people to show up. So while more people show up, let's look at coin market cap. Hold on, guys. Sheesh. My computer is freezing. Hold on, guys. Computer is freezing. Okay. I think I know what's going on here. Hold on. I might have to restart the live stream. Computer is freezing. Hold on, guys. Just give me a second. All right, so let me put this in tablet mode. I think I have to put this in tablet mode. Let me see if I can. It's crazy right now. All right. So far, so good. All right, so let's look at the coin market cap real quick. My computer is freezing up a little bit, so I know what I'm gonna do. I think it was this, basically my my chat. But anyway, let's go to coin market cap. Bitcoin is at, well, I'm looking at the volume right now. 21 billion. So the dominance is 68.85. So the dominance dropped a little bit. It was at 71, if I'm not mistaken. And I do expect some type of pullback. But overall, even if we do get a pullback with the dominance, I believe it will resume and continue to go back up. Okay, I think it's just a little pullback we will see. So the dominance will probably pull back a little bit, but when the market decides to consolidate again, because it will, I believe that the dominance will continue to go back up. All right, when it comes to Bitcoin. So let's go back to the chart. And let's look at the chart. And if you guys have any questions, guys, if you have any questions, type it in. All right. If you have any questions, type it in. Because I'm here to answer some questions. So let's go to the chart, guys. All right. Let's go to that chart. So let's talk about the overall market. Okay. I was the only guy on YouTube that saw the resistance way before it happened, right? So we talked about how this big triangle right here, we talked about this big triangle right here, all right? How the top of the triangle is gonna have resistance, all right? I was the only guy that saw this. Anyway, we went up. We poked out of the resistance just a little bit. And ever since then, sellers came in and whacked this market back down. Okay? Go look at my videos. I talked about this resistance for the longest. Why? Why did I talk about this resistance? Well, very simple. If we have a triangle break, guess where stop loss? A lot of stop losses are going to be right here at the beginning of the triangle break. So basically, we hit this. Sellers came in. Sellers came in again. Sellers came in again. They tried 3 times, guys. 3 times to break above this resistance, and they couldn't. Screaming bearish, right? Another thing we talked about, guys. What did we talk about before? I told you guys before, this is not a bull market. Right? I said it. It's not a bull market, guys. This is a bear market. Why would I say something like that? All right? Why would I say something like that? Very simple. We dropped from 19K, all right, and we pulled back up. All right. When we decided to go back up, we had a lot of resistance. They failed to break above this resistance, and continue to go back up. But even if they didn't, I always told you guys that this whole up move was just a pullback. Okay? It's just a pullback until it's not. You have to understand that, guys. All right? In order for this to be a bull market, we have to wipe out this high. If we don't wipe out that high, guys, then this is just a pullback, and that's it. A pullback that's waiting to continue to go back down. All right? That's all it is. That's why when you listen to moon boys like, well, I'm not going to name no names, but these guys that got 100K subscribers saying that this is a bull market and buy. Okay? I was trying to tell you guys, hold your horses. Don't get too excited. We have a lot, we have more room to go up before you call this a bull market. Now let's go back to the breakout. Remember the breakout right here? I told you guys I'm expecting a fake breakout. Boom. Right? Too obvious, man. I remember arguing with some guy. Not really arguing because I don't argue too much. But, I was going back and forth with this guy. He would say, You don't know nothing because this is obvious a triangle, a bullish triangle. I was like, okay. I said, you know what? You know what? Come back to me at the end of the year, and and tell me if it's a bullish triangle or not. Well, he don't have to wait to the end of the year. He could see it right now. This is not a bullish triangle. Right? So we broke down. Now, since we broke down, how far can we go? All right. Okay, before we even get to that, how far can we go? Let me show you something, guys. All right. 10K. Around this 10K, 9K level, guys. Around this level, look how many times we hit this level, guys. All right. It was forming a floor right here. And we talked about this before. Anytime price hits a level, okay, look at this. We hit it one time, we hit it 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you can probably count this as 6 right here. Anytime price decides to hit those levels multiple times, it's a strong possibility price will break that level. Why? It's because it's like it's creating a floor, okay? And eventually it's gonna break. It's almost like bouncing the ball. If you bounce the ball, right, eventually you can't go nowhere. Same thing with this. So price is gonna, break this eventually. Now, what do I see right now when it comes to Bitcoin? Okay, where do I see Bitcoin going? Basically, I believe they are hunting for stops. Okay, they are hunting for stop losses. So if you have your stop losses right here, or your stop loss right here, or underneath here, I believe they are hunting for those stop losses, and most likely they're going to go, break those levels. Now, can Bitcoin bounce from here? Yes, it's a possibility we can bounce. Doesn't mean anything. Okay, give you a small bounce, just to go right back down. So move. It was just a quick pop. Really no pullback, guys. And remember, I was telling you guys, I don't like this whole up move because really no pullbacks. All right, we broke this. They didn't pull back to this breakout. We broke this flag right here. No pullback to this flag. We broke this. We finally pulled back to this flag, but this is not holding that support, and most likely they will screw these guys over, because this whole move right here, we didn't screw nobody over. Okay, so I do expect Bitcoin to screw someone over if it decides to go back up. It will probably screw somebody over first, all right, and then continue to go back up. But that's if it goes back up. If you guys have any questions, type it in. We will get to you guys' questions. So let's go to the chat room and let's see what I see right now. But shout out to you guys. Thanks a lot for stopping by. I appreciate it. Let me see if I give you guys a round of applause. I don't know if I got the sound effect. Let's go. Let me see here. There we go. Round of applause, guys. Round of applause. So let me see if I see any questions, guys. Yeah, guys, hit those like buttons. Hit those like buttons right now. Hit that like button right now, guys. All right. Let me see here. Hey Zeus, what's going on? Day trade operator, what's going on? TJ, Keith, Damn it. What's going on? Let me see. Golden Arm, Butch, Mike, Sean. What's going on, guys? All right, so let's see if I see any questions. And hit those like buttons, guys. Hit those like buttons right now. Your finger is not going to fall off if you hit that like button. So let's see if I see any questions here. All right. BCH is going to drop to 135. Let's look at it, BCH real quick. BCH. Oh yeah, okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That is looking, horrible right now. Day trader operator said, "Where is the next entry to go long?" Let me ask you a question, day trader operator. Why are you thinking about longs right now? It's just a question. I'm trying to figure out your mind and where you are at. Why are you only thinking about longs? Let me know. Jesus says check BSV. Ugly, ugly, ugly. What do you want to know about this? All right, so before we even check any altcoins, guys, before we check any altcoins, remember what I said before, guys? What did I say? When everybody was screaming, this is the bull market, buy, go all in, you're gonna miss out on the next bull market if you don't. What did I say, guys? I said that this is not a bull market. Look at these other coins, all right? Look at it. Remember I told you guys, I backed out, right? I zoomed out, and I asked you guys, does this look like a bull market right here, guys? Look at this. Does this look a bull market at all? Just look at the altcoins. The altcoins will tell you. Bitcoin is a distraction. Bitcoin is a distraction, guys. Forget about Bitcoin. You have to look at the overall market. Look at these altcoins, guys. The altcoins are telling you the truth. This is not a bull market. Look how much Ethereum sold off, right? Ethereum was at 15, damn near 1,600. Is at $170. How can you call this a bull market if it's at $170? Come on, guys. Stop listening to these stupid YouTubers. These guys are jokes. These guys do not know anything. Let's not even talk about XRP, guys. Come on. How can this be a bull market where you have all these coins just dropping like a rock? None of these coins look like Bitcoin. Like I said, forget about Bitcoin. It's a distraction, guys. None of these coins look like Bitcoin. Look at XRP. And I feel sorry for a guy. I was reading a comment the other day. I think it was yesterday. I feel sorry for this guy. This guy said he put 60K in XRP.